Mr. Dan Weir, President of DNI Metals, visiting the mining offices located in Madagascar's capital city, Antananarivo. About 250 kilometers to the northeast along the highway lies the Vohitsara Graphite Property. DNI's Vohitsara Graphite Property straddles the paved national highway, seen here as locals prepare to assist with geophysics and trenching programs. Madagascar is comprised of several distinct geographic regions: a high central plateau, a largely deforested tropical east coast, scrubby savanna lowlands along the west coast, and desert in the south. The property is located in a deforested area of east-central Madagascar. Tomasina is 50 kilometers north along the highway from the property, and is the major deep-water port, handling 90% of Madagascar's container traffic and 80% of all trade traffic. Several past-producing graphite mines surround the DNI property. Stratmin's currently operating mine lies 50 kilometers to the south. The high graphitic content and 70% large flake distribution, typical of the region, place it as one of the best quality producers on Earth. Sherritt's Ambatovi nickel-cobalt mine employs a 220-kilometer pipeline, which runs through part of DNI's property to transport slurried ore from their open-pit mine to a processing plant in the port city, Tomasina. Let's zoom into the southeast part of DNI's property to take a closer look at the study area. National Highway RN2 passes through the property. Elevation of the study area is from 60 to 100 meters above sea level. Gently rolling hills and sparse bush dominate the landscape. A mapped graphite trend runs roughly north-south along a ridge about 1 kilometer from the National Highway. During July 2015, DNI completed a geophysical survey, followed by a trenching program on a 900 by 400 meter area of the mapped trend. 4 trenches spaced along the mapped graphite trend returned 3 to 13% graphitic carbon, and have 67.4% jumbo and large flake distribution. Here we see a trench in progress, illustrating how little work is required to dig in the weathered, saprolitic host material, and how little overburden there is. It's so soft it can be easily removed with a shovel, and it crumbles near hand. Thanks to the tropical climate, Mother Nature has chemically weathered what was once hard rock host. Soft host material such as this can be mined at half the capex and half the opex of a hard rock operation typically found in North America. The highly valued jumbo graphite flakes found here are easily preserved during processing. Hard rock operations require grinding, which degrades flake size and value. DNI's Vohitsara Graphite Property is fully permitted for production.